Do you often feel weakness in your legs or suffer from frequent leg cramps? As we age, our leg muscles tend to weaken, and muscle cramps become a common issue. But don't worry, with the right vitamins, you can strengthen your legs and prevent cramping. In this video, we will discuss the best vitamins that can help you keep your legs strong and free from cramps. So without further delay, let's get started. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do it now and don't forget to like this video. 1. Vitamin D for strong bones and muscles. Vitamin D is essential for bone and muscle health. Its deficiency can lead to muscle pain and cramps. The best source of vitamin D is sunlight, but you can also get it from milk, yogurt, mushrooms, and fortified cereals. 2. Vitamin B12 for nerve health and muscle strength. If you feel tingling or weakness in your legs, it could be due to a deficiency of vitamin B12. This vitamin keeps the nervous system healthy and provides energy to the muscles. You can get it from dairy products like milk, yogurt, cheese, and fortified cereals. 3. Magnesium for muscle contraction control. Magnesium is a crucial mineral that helps in proper muscle contraction and relaxation. Its deficiency can cause nighttime leg cramps. Bananas, almonds, spinach, and pumpkin seeds are great sources of magnesium. 4. Potassium to prevent muscle cramps. Potassium helps maintain the body's electrolyte balance, preventing muscle cramps. You can get it from bananas, coconut water, oranges, and potatoes. 5. Calcium for strong bones and muscles. Calcium not only strengthens bones but also improves muscle function. A calcium deficiency can lead to weak muscles. You can obtain it from milk, cheese, yogurt, and green leafy vegetables. 6. Vitamin E for better blood circulation. Vitamin E improves blood circulation, ensuring that the leg muscles and nerves receive enough oxygen. This helps strengthen the legs and reduces cramping. Sunflower seeds, almonds, spinach, and avocados are excellent sources of vitamin E. 7. Vitamin C for healthy joints and muscles. Vitamin C helps in collagen production, which is essential for strong joints and muscles. Oranges, lemons, strawberries, and guavas are great sources of vitamin C. These were some essential vitamins that can help you strengthen your legs and prevent cramps. If you include these vitamins in your diet, you will soon notice a difference. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Till then, stay healthy and happy.